Hi guys, in this video we gonna learn how Bacon is as a prose writer, or you can say what is the subject matter in Bacon's essays, how he is different from other contemporary writers. So watch this video till end. Let's get started, okay? So in the choice of subjects, we find the breadth of his intellect, his worldly wisdom, concerned with public life and material advancements. Okay, so if we see any of his topics, any of his essays like of truth, of religion, of study, of revenge, and so on, and many essays have been written by Bacon, in which we find the breadth of his intellect. So, what is the meaning of intellect? That means how a man can think so well, and it talks about the intelligence of a person. So, his subjects or subject matter talks about his intelligence, his worldly wisdom. He shows his worldly wisdom, that what's there in this world, he has a wisdom over that. His concern with public life. So, what is happening in public life, he knows all these things well, and he talks about material advancements also in his subjects, okay, in his topics, you can say. Alexander Pope calls him the wisest, brightest, and meanest of mankind. Okay, he is the wisest, brightest, and meanest of this mankind. He laid down the rules of conduct for every field of practical life. Although he talks about practical life, he is quite pragmatic in his approach. He talks about practical things in his essays, but he laid down, or he talks about the rules of conduct. That means, what does the morality say, what should be done by people. So he is quite a teacher through his essays, and he talks about the things ought to be done by people. Okay, now next is, he had a word of advice on every matter for every person. So if we keenly observe the subjects or the essays of Bacon, we see that he has a word of advice for everyone and on every matter. Bacon presents the pill of practical wisdom to the reader by wrapping it up in a charming wrapping paper or wrapper of his style. Okay, so if we want someone to do something according to us, we try to convince that person by all means. So by using a very good style, he also charms his readers, and he gives a pill of practical wisdom, okay, through his essays. Now next is, Bacon looks upon anything virtuous and vicious, good or bad, from practical viewpoint. Okay, so even if he talks about virtuous things, things which are good, and at the same time vicious, the bad things, but he shows his practical viewpoint in all the things. Okay, he expresses practical thinking on each subject. Now next is, his essays were a welcome diversion for the Elizabethans who were tired of dreamy and imaginative things in the contemporary literature. So, guys, what was happening? First of all, we all know that he was the writer in the time of Elizabeth I, and due to that, this era is called Elizabethan era. So, all the Elizabethans were tired of dreamy and imaginative things in the contemporary literature. So, all those who were contemporary of Bacon, they used to write about dreamy and imaginative things, and all the Elizabethans were tired or fed up of these things. So, his essays were a welcome diversion, a welcome change for all the readers and all the other thinkers. Now, next is, Bacon's essays, stuffed with rich blending of practical wisdom and morality, have a universal appeal, and hence they are a great asset for mankind. Okay, so Bacon's essays, overall we can say these are stuffed, these are very rich in the blending of practical wisdom and morality. So what do practical wisdom and morality says? According to that, we can see that Bacon's essays are the best example of both the things and have a universal appeal, and hence they are a great asset for mankind. So we can learn a lot as human being from the essays of Bacon, and it is a rich asset for all of us. Now, even in this time also, these are quite helpful, and these essays give a conduct of rules for all of us. Okay, friends, that's it for this video. I hope you have learned few of the things, how Bacon was as a prose writer and what is the subject matter in Bacon's essays. Okay, that's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.